launch vehicle. If you're unfamiliar with Ariane 5, she's the reliable workhorse, the senior member of the Ariane family, designed for heavier launches, and like tonight, dual launches. She stands 51 meters tall. She's in two parts. They call them composites here, a lower composite and an upper one. The lower, including the main stage and the two boosters. The upper composite consisting of the two satellites and the vehicle equipment bay where the computers are. We'll be describing each in turn as it is functioning. The two satellites there, the heaviest, usually separated first. That is the case tonight. Tonight it's HS4 SGS-1, or to use its longer name, Saudi Geostationary Satellite 1 Helisat-4. You'll hear both used tonight. In the upper berth, 6.5 tons. The lower deck, GSAT-31, due to be separated at plus 42. Following the broadcast on the internet, we hope you are enjoying it. If you're not settled in, pull up a chair and you can enjoy all the action. And that's about to begin. We're going to cut away, let you listen to the DDO for the final countdown.
À tous de DDO, attention pour le décompte final. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, top. Allumage du gain. Allumage des deux AP, décollage Ariane VA247.
Local time and right on time. Ariane 5 began her mission, lifting off from the ground here in French Guiana with a lot of fire, carrying two new satellites. We lost her into the clouds. We didn't have much visibility, but we did have liftoff. The two boosters now providing 90% of our thrust, propelling the launcher along her trajectory at an ever higher velocity, as the DDO says all is working perfectly on board. Our mass at liftoff, 775 tons. And to get that sort of weight off the ground, you need a lot of push. And push we have. She's burning 5 tons of fuel every second. That's 2.5 tons per second burning in each booster. Plus the core stage burning another 300 kilos of fuel, again, every second. Ariane 5 is now following the program in the onboard computer, which gives all the orders, including stage separations, which we will soon see in less than a minute.
Tous les paramètres à bord sont nominaux, la propulsion est nominale.
The DDO says all is working fine on board. We're in the first of 4 flight phases. We'll describe each in turn and in detail so you can follow Ariane as she heads east across the Atlantic. Right now, the first flight phase, the single first stage engine and the 2 boosters are burning. The boosters will each consume their 240 tons in just over 2 minutes. In about 20 seconds, they will be extinguished, and they're the first to be jettisoned, and you'll hear that from the DDO, and you'll see that, of course, on the animation as well. This first flight phase, using both cryogenic cold fuel and storable propellant. Cryogenic offering certain advantages over storable, better and more precise performance, and its motors can be reignited. There we have right on time, separation of the 2 boosters. The DDO confirms it. They fall 500 kilometers from shore into a protected area. Give you an idea what it looks like from the onboard camera. There is a second booster to the port side of the ship, which is out of camera range. French Guiana was in part chosen as a base for its opening on the water, launches posing no threat to the local population. We'll have more on that coming up. For now, on the bus, and when we near the region of 9 kilometers per second, we're getting near satellite separation. Fairing separation has come right on time. Separation given by 2 pyrotechnic systems, one the Guiana Space Center, the world's only dedicated commercial space base, where Arianespace operating the launcher family Ariane 5 and soon to be Ariane 6, Soyuz and Vega, soon to be the updated Vega C. Arianespace also managing the launcher and the satellite campaigns. We have the first of many films coming up for you now. We'll have films on both customers later on. For now, on the community of Arian cities, highlighting towns that are part of the Ariane. And they are discarded when they have used up all their fuel. The main stage, of course, continues burning. Less than a minute later, the fairing is released, our altitude now 100 kilometers up. 6.5 minutes later, the main stage engine will shut down, and it is cast off in its turn. The upper stage engine then ignites, and it will provide the remaining thrust to complete the mission. Our upper passenger, HS4 SGS-1, will be released at plus 27 minutes. It's held in place by a structure called the Silda, which we no longer need, so we can discard that now. And finally, our second spacecraft, GSAT-31, separated at plus 42 minutes, and Ariane's mission is complete. 8.5 minutes to go to the first Ariane launch of the year outside the